Hello, thanks for watching today. I'm going to show you how to laminate your sticker paper for making waterproof stickers like this one. The laminate is super cool because it protects from water or anything like that. I put a couple stickers on my cups and they've lasted a really long time, even going through the wash and everything like that. So we'll go ahead and get started. If you need to know how to print your stickers or anything like that, check out my previous video and I will explain how to do that. Otherwise, I've had a lot of questions as to how I get my laminate on my sticker paper without the bubbles or cracks or anything showing through. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do that today. This does come with practice. Also, if you're looking for what materials to use, or what materials I use specifically, I also have that in the previous video as well. So anyways, this does come with practice. Don't expect it to get it right the first time. However, I do have a couple tips that help me, and I'm hoping it helps you. So go ahead and first off, peel your backing off on the laminate. And here's the sticker paper that I'm going to be laminating. And this is a self-adhesive, so you don't need a machine or anything like that. So what I do is I put the very edge right on the table before I even touch my sheet of laminate. So I make sure that's on the table and I press it down real hard. You can see there's a little bit of a gap right here between my sticker paper and the start of my laminate. And then I use these, which are just blank sublimation air fresheners. You can use any air freshener, or you can take a credit card as well. However, I know that a lot of people struggle with the credit cards because they leave scratch marks on the plastic. So if you are using a credit card, you can just go ahead and cover it with some felt. Felt is super, super cheap. I believe it's like $1 at Walmart. So you can definitely do that. So when you definitely want some material to do this with. Doing it with your hand is not ideal. It can be done if you are experienced, but not ideal for starting out. So you want to make sure it's laying on evenly. And I always start by taking my laminate and I pull it with my left hand here. So I pull it straight up and then I slowly run my air freshener right down the middle. Very slowly while I'm still pulling this super tight. And there you have it. And then you can go ahead and just kind of rub your tool up on it. And you can see there are no bubbles, no creases, or anything like that. It went on perfectly. So that is my tip on how to properly get laminate onto your sticker paper. If you do have any other questions, feel free to leave me a comment and I would be super happy to help you. Have a great day.